Welcome to school too.
Daddy.
Gloria, you never go to school?
No, I'm not going.
What's the problem?
Choir people that are waiting for you, they say they're looking for you.
Choir
people.
They all come see for them.
Maybe.
I'm not expecting any choir people.
They say they're looking for you.
Choir looking.
Obviously, this not be such one borrow, and they won't come borrow.
Which of you is your big?
Mr. Okeke Naim.
But this one didn't look politician. Forget that. This man is a politician. He's the one. We are from the EFCC. We want to know how you know about those money you were throwing up and down during your vigorous campaign, during your elections. We want to know how you come about those money you used to buy car for people.
Election?
Those money you didn't play politics.
I am not a politician.
Mr. Okeke, you are a politician.
Oka, you see this man that is now. Oka, through God, you never cheat on him. You go to cheat on him. This man, that time they do campaign for election. You understand? This man just they receive people up and down like that. He enter from main road. He chop corn. He chop pama.
Oh.
He enter Okada.
He said main road.
They follow people. They drive Okada. You they receive people.
Gloria, am I a politician?
Daddy, you are not though. But I know you used to play politics with mommy inside.
Let me use for some.
Very simple.
Yeah, politician. Don't jump now.
I have told you people I am not a politician. I have not done politics in my life.
But you know the right thing to do, Abi. You know the right thing.
What is the officer? I know politicians. There's one politician, if you go down this road, enter like this, go straight. That's a politician. The man has plenty money, has plenty cars.
That building by that corner, Abi.
Exactly.
Two-story building.
Exactly.
I was saying that thing. Officer Abare, you say you know this place very well.
Okay, you know that sometimes you know they very sure of something. So there is now, the only thing we want is for you to carry us to go that place. Now.
Does he have a house money?
He has plenty cars, has plenty everything.
That is what we are. The party man has settled
Very a
down.
politician.
Oh, you want to go to the man's place?
We want to see you now.
But there is something. The man died last year.
Which car market with this one?
The man died last year.
What kind of something is this
If
now?
you want to go to his house, you can go to his house.
I don't tire.
You can go to his house.
Keep watching.
Thank you.
Welcome to school too.
School too.